Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Gonzii and today we are going to be reacting to a video called People versus Nature Fails Crazy Weather Caught on Camera. As far as I know, bro, Mother Nature's undefeated, bro. Mother Nature got them hands, you know what I'm saying? Let's go without further ado. Let's go, man.
This is Fox 5 and I'd like to report a light sunny day today with light showers.
It's raining here as well. Hey, yo, shut up and on me. This is way too loud for me, not for you guys. For me, it's way too loud. Okay. Jesus, get out of there, man. Oh, people are so dumb. People are so dumb. First of all, yeah, I hate beach in general because sand is disgusting. Yeah, and seawater stinky. Why are people still there, bro? Oh my, Jesus, bye windshield, bro. Go to the back seat and pray. Yeah, man, well done. Just go to the back seat and lay down, bro. Take a nap or something.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're not looking back.
Oh, man. Bro did this. Bro, I need to stop scratching my face. All red and shit.
Yeah, one more time. On the hole.
Oh no, somebody help him! Jesus. Bro, is he taking his oh my bro's car, it's just water inside of the car, man. Why, bro? Listen, I love rain as much as the next person did. I love it. Ooh! Hey, yo, Trim's dead. Like that one's mad. That was mad. Oh, man. Bro, that's not funny. It's not funny.
Did you just say that?
Holy shit. Hell no!
Heavenly Father.
Fuck yeah! Dear Lord!
Be safe.
No, sir! Bro! I cannot imagine, bro. You deserve that. To be honest. Hey, bro, it's just a cold plunge. That's fine. Damn, bro, that was mad. Okay, tree. Windshield gone. Oh, jagged rocks as well. Bro. Oh,
Oh, she still got
you're gonna hurt yourselves, mate. Get out. Bro, God gave you one warning and you was like, nah, man, it's fine. Have that then. Oh, on rock, bro.
Oh my god.
That must have hurt.
It's like baseballs here. It is ruining our house.
Damn.
We've got holes in the roof. Everywhere. They are the size of baseballs.
Jeez.
Holy
Holy bro. Jesus, that was a wild one still. Ooh, the wind. Coffee gone. Yeah, just close the elevator. Leave them to themselves. Yeah, that's fine. I would have done the same thing, to be honest. Ooh, relaxing. Holy shit, dude. Hey, yo. Get out of there, mate. Jesus Christ. Oh, hell no. Nah, why does she hit? Bro, you have a puddle on your passenger seat now, dude. Respect for putting the trolley back, yeah, but like, but Jesus. Oh no, get out of there. Oi, jeez. Okay, that was lucky, man. Somebody go help the lady, please. Ooh. Oh, there goes they deck. There goes they deck, dude. Gone. Yeah. GG's. Jeez, bro. Ugh. Bro. The sea won again. Shock. Yeah. Houses near the beach have this problem, dude. If the sea comes to you, sea wins. Holy shit, bro. You got the tree, mate. Oh no, sir. That's how fire start, dude. Oh no, get out of there! Run! Ooh, thank the Lord. Wind, bro, and a very poor roof. Holy shit, is that ice?
I got it!
Damn, bro. Ooh, get out of there, you dumb idiot, bro. Damn, bro, look at the thickness of the chunks of ice coming through. Oh, it's like 2-3 inches thick.
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found.
Bro, grow up.
What is that again, honey?
Holy shit. Bro. Look at the size of those hail balls, dude. Like the size of tennis balls. Gee, look at the velocity that I hit in the pavement, bro. Oh, hell no. Again, on beach, bro, with jagged rock. Oh, that was not pleasant. I know that hurt. On jagged rock, dude. Well, windy as fuck then. Yep. That's what happens when the wind is strong, bro. He can barely keep his balance, it's that strong. I would have probably flown away. Jesus Christ. That's some strong winds, bro. Huh? A whole countryside is going into the water, bro. Bro, imagine that's your house. What the fuck do you do? Damn, that's wild, bro. Well, move then. Well, move then. An avalanche, bro. Bro, the main issue with that is the water is water plus ice shards sharper than glass sometimes, coming at you with terminal velocity, bro. It's wild. Jeez, bro. I'm still receiving notifications. Well, GG's to your car, bro. GG's, man. It belongs to the earth now. GG's, bro. Earthquake, bro. I've been in a earthquake, a very minor one. Yeah, it didn't shake like this, bro. Got the baby. Main priority is always the baby, and got the woman. Giga chat, bro. Jeez. Oh my god. Imagine you just cleaned. I'd be pissed. I'd be pissed. Yeah, glad they're alright, mate. Glad they're alright. Oh! Well, yeah. You gotta sit there and take it. That's the times you get humbled, bro. You gotta sit there and take it. Bro, beaches suck. That's a snowstorm. That's a sandstorm, bro. Probably a Kangaskhan, bro. Tyranitar there, dude. Using sandstorm. Shout out to the Pokemon heads out there. How does that happen? Can someone explain to me how the fuck does that happen? How does a car end up in a fucking sea, bro? It's windy. Close that, dude. Help, bro. Camping. Raining. Oh! Shit! Bro, what a setup. They got beds and shit in there. That was wild. Well, I'm not an expert, but I do think that's not supposed to happen. Wow.
That is incredible.
Lightning. Yeah, just struck that tree. Yep. That's what
I've
happens.
seen it on YouTube when they've been hit by lightning before. I've seen the trees do it on videos, but I've never seen one for real. Yeah.
Cool scenery. You deserve that, to be honest. You deserve that one. But yeah, man, that's a good place.
Hang on, Marie, hang on.
Bro, you are not going to flow away with the wind. Fucking let go. Oh, that fish, bro. He was like, get out of here, man. Oh, too much water. Oh, you are a dumb idiot, bro. And you flooded the engine.
I flooded the engine.
Of course you did! You dumb idiot, bro. Turn around. Holy sh... Oh my god, dude. Nah, man. That's unlucky. That's so unlucky. Whoa. You can see the way the wind was blowing, bro. Damn, that's wild. That's ice, bro. That's not even... That was snow at one point. Now it's just straight ice. Holy shit! The lightning turned off the thingy. It turned off the energy. Bro, what the fuck are they... What did you not expect, bro? There's a fucking train coming, yeah, and there's snow on... You lot deserve... All of you, man, deserve that. Oh, gone. Bang! Holy shit. I hope he's alright. Holy shit! That is windy! Hey, yo! Her face is morphing, bro, with the wind. That's how windy it is. They are getting attacked by bees, bro. Is this virtual? No, I think it was in Italy. The vegetation was very similar, though. Might have been Spain, even. That's just unlucky. Keeping all of your cars in the state park there, that's just unlucky, man. Some people got more lucky, though. That's just unlucky, man. Raccoon! Go, bro, go, go, go! Yeah! Yeah! He stole the bread with the homies, mate! They got lunch now. Let's go. Bro, that's a waterfall. It's that windy. The water is flowing backwards. The wind is pushing the water backwards. Damn! Bro, that's a wild imagery. Yeah. That's wild. Jesus. That's a lot of water, man. Yep. Everything flooded. So yeah, guys, there you have it. Mother Nature stays undefeated, man. Those are some wild images, bro. The tree burning because of the lightning. The ice just flowing from the river or the sea, whatever that was. Jesus Christ, bro. Jesus Christ. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you for another phenomenal week, man. And I hope you have a phenomenal weekend. But before we go, don't forget our interviews on the channel, man. Come on, bro. Keep God first as always. Drink water, go tell somebody you love them. And if you know what to do, man, like the video, subscribe to the channel. My name is Gonzii, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Goodbye.